said in my last video, I was going to get some liver of sulphur and try and do some patina on the UK lunars. So I've got a sheep. I've actually got some new LED bulbs for this room, and yeah, they're rather bright and much better than the energy efficiency bulbs, because they kind of don't take any time to warm up. So I've got a sheep, a horse, and a monkey. So yeah, I'll have to get these out of the capsules, and then we'll be ready to obviously put some of the drops into the water here and give it a mix up, and then yeah, so this is the first time I've experimented with this, and so this is the first method I'm going to try is with cold water, but not really cold, just, you know, room temperature, rather than hot, because it makes it react a bit slower. So I thought that might be good for the effect that I'm hoping to try and get. So yeah, be back in a minute. So yeah, I got the coins out of the capsules, and so I want to put 5 drops in, I think, because only a small, well, a squirt, and I have a nice little fork here, plastic fork, to give it a little mix, and there we are. So really does smell a bit like a, so I've already put this one on the so I can dip it and hold it, but I may put my glove on just in case, but let's see anyway. So maybe it needs to be a little bit stronger. So don't know how long I'm going to have to hold it for, but does seem to be toning. But yes, I may try and put some more solution in of a different strength. Let me just rinse it down a bit. Now I think I'll put a little bit more in, because it doesn't seem to be that strong. So yeah, for this sort of line sort of looking for, hopefully. Whether or not it's going to actually work, it may work better with warm water. So the next one I might try with a bit of boiled water, but you know, as I said, this is sort of an experiment, and coin is definitely coming out kind of gold. So yeah, we seem to have turned it kind of gold. rather strange, but maybe it needs longer. But so I'm going to continue to let it tone a bit for a little bit longer, and see what happens with this one. As I said, I'm using just cold water. Interesting. So yeah, so I'll dip it for a bit more, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like then. Yeah, so I left it for a bit longer. It's definitely like gold looking, and obviously it's not totally dry yet, but I don't have a sort of so it has kind of made it gold. And if we like compare it to the monkey, there you go. That's kind of like very, very weird. So that's the cold water method. It may be slower. I may have to, leave it in there for a period of time. So to get some different sort of coloration. But yeah, some fake gold now. Obviously, it's obviously an experiment, and the cold water has a slower reaction. So interesting. See, so yeah, I've got a bit of warmer water out of the kettle, not boiling, boiled probably about 20 minutes ago or something, and it's still warm. So I'm going to put some solution into the warm water. About 10 drops, and give it a little stir. And I guess this time we'll have a look at the horse. So got my little tweezers to just drop it in. That's what I'm going to do this time. Just going to drop it in and leave it for a little bit, which I'll stick it on pause while it tones a bit, and then I'll get it out. So yeah, I cleaned it off with the warm water, and check this out. I mean, seriously, you probably can't see it so much in this light. It's very dark. I was trying to get it out, but it didn't want to come out on the other side. Some crazy kind of like blue purple toning, which yeah, I do like that. So going to go ahead and dip the monkey, and while the solution's still warm, and try and get it out a bit quicker than I sort of looking for, but might be a print on there now, or so forth, but yeah, very nice. So yeah, the monkey, see, these are not quite the lunars you're used to seeing now, but it's kind of a bit that hasn't toned as much on that side. The same on the sort of the bottom, but it has kind of maybe I might need to do this one again, and after each obviously the horse one I think is probably the nicest because it has a more even, it may even help dipping the coins before obviously doing the, but I think that's the best result out of all of them. And obviously the other gold from doing it in the cold water, which I guess may give you, if you did leave it in there for longer, it may give you a more even effect, which you know, more controllable than in the hot water. So I am going to drop this back in the cold water, and I'm going to leave it for I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes maybe. I'll see what happens. As I said, you know, it's something I've been wanting to experiment with, and yeah, so I'll stick it on pause and show you the results in 5 or 10 minutes, but for you it'll be straight away. So yeah, it's been a bit longer than I expected. It's been in for another 15 minutes, and it started to just go slightly pinky purple, as you can see. So obviously the reaction is a lot slower and more controlled in the cold water. So I'm going to leave it for probably another 10 minutes maybe, but I'll keep checking it every so often just to see, and yeah, so be back when it's toned a bit more. Hey, I'm back. It's been about another 15 minutes in the solution, so definitely see the more purples coming through, pinky purple, and the other side. So a lot of a slower reaction than obviously than in the warmer water. So I'm going to continue and see what happens. So yeah, the other thing was I was a bit of blue on it as well. when I was looking in the light, it's gone a little bit blue. So I tried to brush a bit of solution onto this one where it hadn't sort of toned that much, to try and make it a bit more uniform, and just keep adding a little bit more just into that one place. Obviously the other solution, I could put more onto the actual drop onto the actual brush with a bit of water on to make it a bit stronger, but sometimes I think when it is kind of, you know, a weaker solution, as I said, this is like an experiment to see different colours and how long it actually takes, and which method gives you the best results that you're actually looking for. Because obviously, you know, when you put it in fast, you can't really control the speed, but as I said, if you do it slower, you probably can control the colour a lot more between, you know, purples and blues, which colours it changes into next, because it does kind of change into another colour next. So I'll put this one back into the capsule, and yeah, apart from the one little bit that I didn't quite, you know, maybe it might be a good idea to actually dip the coins first to make sure they're absolutely clean, maybe. But as I said, this is just an experiment, but not a bad result at all. I quite like the blues and the purples on this one, and definitely has made an improvement to the look of my lunars, and yeah, I'm quite liking the actual result. So yeah, all's good. So yeah, I'll stick it on pause, and I'll be back when the other one is toned a bit more. Hey guys, so it's blue and purple now, still around the field, but getting there. So yeah, so I think I might put it in for one more little bit to see, you know, what happens next, because I'm having a bit of trouble with the focus. There we go. As you can see, it's still, it looks kind of, but you definitely see it's starting to change a different bit of colour, quite darker, but you know, as I said, this is kind of an experiment, and yeah, very nice. So be back again. Sorry it's such a long video, but you know, these things take time, and I'll try and edit it down a little bit as best I can, but you know, just showing the process, and yeah, okay, be right back. So yeah, I left it in for a little bit longer, made myself a coffee, and it's definitely gone a bit on the blue. So I'm going to focus. Yeah, there we go. So it is quite on the blue side. So might have been a step too far, but and I wonder what colour it may go next. And as I said, I'm going to maybe continue this experiment, but yeah, no, but I do like it, this blue sort of toned colour. So that may be it for now. So yeah, let me just dry them off properly and put them in the capsules and show the final results for the experiment. And yeah, I think it was nice when it had the purple around there, but it didn't quite have the blue. So maybe, you know, an in-between temperature, slightly lukewarm, maybe better than, you know, just warm. So yeah, let me stick on pause and stick them back in the capsules. Hey, so yeah, I put them back in capsules, and yeah, they do actually look a lot better to the actual eye. But I think I'm liking these, and yeah, so that's the queen side on the horse. See, I think taking it out when it's between the purple and the blue, maybe a good, and as I said, it is kind of like trial and error. First time but not bad results on that one. And then this one you can't really see it. I don't know whether that's a bit of... Yeah, so this one is more on the green side, I think. You can't really see it too well. You can, but obviously I think this one was probably the one I left in the warmer solution for longer, so obviously it's going to turn purple, blue, then green. So yeah, so I think maybe somewhere between the two I will have to experiment on that result, but I can always dip them and try and do them again, and I may well do, but they do look nice to the actual eye. I'm having trouble focusing. You can see the kind of coloration there, and then this was the one that I did in the slower, just kind of room temperature water, and it gave a more even coloration across the coin. There is some kind of like purple in it, but it's not really picking it up on the camera. Mainly just the blue, but yeah, so I think obviously, you know, that's probably the best coloration, with, you know, a bit of purple and a bit of blue, sort of the right time to take it out, maybe. But I mean, it all depends what people have a preference for, you know. And so there's virtually 3 different colours that you know, could be possible as well, especially if you use the slow method. So yeah, so maybe something else that I look into, and I think it definitely, this one has made an improvement to the actual lunars. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I probably will be having as I said, 100 subscriber giveaway. I'm at 77, but you know, I'm in no rush to get any subs, and it's just something I think maybe I'll do to give back to the community, sort of thing. So I don't want anyone doing any shout outs for me that I trying to get any more subs, just when they come along. Yeah, I'll be doing a giveaway, and it may even be one of these lunars, but I haven't quite decided yet. But I quite do like this one, and so yeah, let me know what you all think, and yeah, have a good one.